Before we crack this thing open, let's talk numbers. The Eufy SoloCam S340 claims some impressive specs for a palm-sized plastic eyeball. First, it's rocking a 3K resolution. Not 4K, but sharper than 1080p, and definitely good enough to zoom in on a raccoon doing crimes in your driveway. And yes, it's got 8x zoom thanks to its dual lens setup, one wide angle and one telephoto. Then there's AI tracking in dual view. Fancy features that, yes, drop your max resolution to 2K, but supposedly give you better motion tracking and multi-angle surveillance. Basically, picture-in-picture, but for burglars. It's also solar-powered. Attach the included panel and, in theory, you'll never need to plug it in again. So, here's the main unit. Up top, wide-angle lens. Below that, telephoto lens. Both sitting in this glossy stormtrooper helmet of a chassis. Now check this. On the back, we've got the mounting hook right here. This slots into a rounded mounting bracket that you screw into the wall. It's a basic hook and swivel mechanism. Nothing fancy, but surprisingly sturdy. You'll get decent articulation once it's clicked in. Here's the solar panel. Yes, it charges the unit. No, it won't work in your windowless basement. Now you've got two options, mount it separately or directly attach it on top of the camera. It literally clicks into the mounting hole up here. Just twist it to lock. It's like putting on a cap on a bottle. Power, it's the old school USB-C. You plug one in on the back of the solar panel, the other into the camera's USB-C port, neatly tucked behind the rubber flap for weatherproofing. Use the extension cable if you're mounting the solar panel elsewhere, say where the sun actually shines. Now, I'm not powering this thing up today. That's going to be another episode. Today's mission was to figure out what's in the box, how it fits together, and whether the hardware inspires confidence or existential dread. Like, comment, and subscribe if you want to see that video, or if you enjoy security cameras judging you silently from the rooftops.